As someone who just got let go, these are a few of my favorite things that make my rebuilding era still feel good. First, scent is a huge mood booster for me, so having my Pure diffusers running has made my home feel so peaceful. There are so many scents to choose from, this one is my favorite. Next up, a good blanket is non-negotiable for me. I get cold so easily, so working wrapped up in a Minky Couture blanket has become my whole ritual. If you don't know yet, I'm a huge drink girly. Bloom Pop has taken over for me. The flavors are so good. It's such a good soda replacement. I love them so much. I'm just grateful for these little things as I'm starting over.